Aren't you tired of all these unnecessary features on your smart wallet? Meet Baraddy, the cocky wallet with a custom-designed wireless power bank and wireless payment system. We've customized the standard 10-watt QI charger to deliver 2,500 milliamperes of power much faster. With Baraddy, you can charge simultaneously as many devices as you can place on it. With Baraddy, you can just relax and enjoy your life, free of charging problems. The genuine leather makes it stylish and sleek. Yo, did we mention the payment part? Reportedly, charging issues are the #1 threat to a successful date. Baraddy has your back. Save your partner's phone as you would have saved yours. Besides, remember, you don't need cards to pay. Awesome, right? No, I'm serious, no cards. For Baraddy, security is key. With our app, you can attach all your cards to the wallet and use them without having them with you. The application is developed in order to make you feel more comfortable and secure when making purchases with your wallet. Track your money with your phone and approve or disapprove a purchase request. Just forget about messy pockets, dead devices, and bank cards. With amazing prices you can only find on Indiegogo, pre-order your Baraddy now. Oh, and did we mention the free shipping?
When you bought your security cameras, did you give up your privacy to an expensive cloud-based brand? Or did you buy hard-to-use cameras that alerted you every time the trees moved until you turned off the alerts? Meet Camect, a smarter camera hub. Camect unites cameras from most brands, forming a private, affordable, and usable system that lets you securely access and manage your cameras from anywhere. Camect is private, with a terabyte of local storage and the option to add more. It keeps your footage right where it belongs, safe with you. Camect is smart, smarter than cloud cameras that say they must send your video to their smart big brother in the cloud. That motion from the camera pointed at your driveway, Camect knows if it's a person, a car, a package delivery truck, or just a squirrel running around. And it will learn which of these you want to know about, all without sending your video anywhere. Your smart cloud cameras can't do that. The best of them detect just 3 kinds of moving objects. Camect detects more than 20, and with your feedback, it gets smarter. Camect is easy to use. Plug it in, let it find the cameras on your network, sign in, and you're ready to go. Your cameras are now securely accessible from your phone or your desktop, at home, or on the go. Best of all, Camect is affordable. Really affordable. You can have a smarter camera system, one that doesn't waste your time with junk alerts, while saving your money and your privacy. Watch what matters most on your terms. Order Camect today.
Imagine having Iron Man's Jarvis on your desktop that writes your letters, draws your pictures, laser engraves your phone case, and plays chess with you. Today, it all becomes possible with HexSpot, the first versatile all-in-one desktop robotic arm that turns your desktop into a workshop. The 0.05mm high precision and maximized speed ensure the ability to complete all kinds of work. The unique drive circuit design eliminates the motor noise. Yep, you can sleep beside the robot arm now. The modular design allows you to change the end effector within a click and obtain various functions. HexSpot can be a desktop plotter and turn pixels into ink and pen. Bring arts to your home or write your homework. HexSpot can be a laser engraver that makes you a toy by engraving on either softer materials like wood and leather or harder materials like porcelain and aluminum. You can make a meaningful gift for your friend or some personalized stuff for your own. HexSpot can also be a 3D printer that turns your design into a product easily. The intuitive software gives you the seamless control on HexSpot and creates things in just a few drags and clicks. Moreover, integrated with Blockly, controlling HexSpot would be as easy as dragging and placing command blocks. The movable touchscreen allows you to control HexSpot in a more flexible way. The other accessories bring HexSpot to the next level to build a production line on your desktop. We are bringing our product here on Kickstarter. We have iterated and tested the product in the past 2 years. The product is now ready for manufacturing, but we need your help to press play on production. Back us today and start to bring your ideas to life.
This is the Alpha 3, the innovative 4K camera that's going to change the way you shoot action video forever. Alpha 3 is the world's first action camera that features a 180-degree flip touchscreen. With the built-in Sony IMX577 image sensor, Alpha 3 provides next-level digital overlap HDR that keeps the picture looking good even in the worst conditions. And unlike GoPro Hero 7, Alpha 3 enables you to shoot video in HDR mode at up to 4K 60 frames per second, resulting in smoother and sharper videos with unmatched high quality. Powered by the revolutionary Ambarella H22 quad-core image processor, Alpha 3's gimbal-like stabilization is steady like a rock. And unlike the DJI Osmo Action, Alpha 3 allows for simultaneous stabilization while in HDR mode. So for the first time in the industry, you can get stable 4K video with improved HDR image quality whenever and wherever you need it. With the 240 frames per second resolution available for 8x super slow motion mode, you can capture every photo finish and every single drop of sweat, all in full 1080p. Alpha 3 even provides distortion correction on video shot at a regular angle, up to 4K 30 frames per second without any unwanted fisheye effect. It is also the only action camera that includes a unique mounting adapter so you can shoot with 3x telescope, macro, or any other 37mm. And if you need to get a little wet, MochaCam Alpha 3 Pro allows you to shoot up to 3 meters or up to 60 meters by attaching the waterproof case.
Introducing CM Translator, the popular handheld translation device for you to connect with different parts of the world at the click of a button. CM Translator is a smart tech product. Simple, multilingual, artful design. Winner of the 2019 IF Design Award. So, you've decided to travel to another country, and you haven't learned the local language.
What is your recommendation?
No worries, this little guy's got your back with its two-way translation capabilities in just one click.
Today's special is tonkatsu ramen.
With one portable device, you can switch between 6 languages anytime, anywhere. When it comes to traveling, translation apps eat up your phone's precious battery life
and they have limited microphone and speaker range. With CM Translator, you can save your phone battery for more useful functions.
Do you know how to get to the subway from here?
你能告诉我怎么去地铁吗？
CM Translator brings you the best smart travel experience that lets you focus more on your trip and connecting with others instead of the product itself. Smart travel is the way to go. Being a newly immigrated family in a foreign country requires overcoming language barriers and translation difficulties. This revolutionary smart device has the power to break barriers.
¿A dónde va esto?
Where is this going to be?
It should be on a table.
Debería estar sobre la mesa.
CM Translator can understand speech up to 10 feet away, so you can converse easily and naturally and build bridges to new relationships. CM Translator provides you with an innovative one-click design for easy use, smart travel, and smart immigrant life. It supports up to the 6 following languages: English, Spanish, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and Thai. Its dual language, two-way capability enables simplicity in bilingual conversation. Powered by Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services and Orion Star AI technology, the translation experience is fast, intelligent, and accurate. CM Translator is equipped with a long battery life, 180 days standby time, 24 hours of continuous use per charge, picks up speech from long distances up to 10 feet away. It's able to record audio and share with other people. CM Translator. One click, one world. Back us today on Indiegogo.
3 out of 10 adults suffer from mild to debilitating allergies. From overactive immune systems to your best friend's dander, and pollen that you can't always see but do always feel. No matter the reason, allergies are frustrating. They create sinus pain and nagging discomfort that zaps your energy, make it difficult to concentrate, and prevent you from enjoying life's simple pleasures. That's why the PhD neuroscientists and biomedical engineers at Tivic Health have designed the Clear Up device, the smartest drug-free solution for relieving allergy-related sinus pain that's clinically proven to work and FDA cleared. Clear Up's secret lies in its ability to harness your body's naturally occurring electricity with gentle microcurrent waveforms that target the sinus pain. Here's how easy it is to use. Hold the power button to turn Clear Up on and glide it slowly on your cheek, nose, and under your brow bone. Keep the tip in contact with your skin at all times. When you feel a subtle vibration, hold it in place until the vibration stops. The soft vibration means that ClearUp has detected a treatment point and is delivering low-level electrical microcurrents through your skin to underlying sinus nerve fibers. Continue gliding ClearUp along your cheek, nose, and brow bone in a circular path. ClearUp will guide you to the next treatment point where it will begin vibrating again. After 2 to 3 minutes, simply switch ClearUp to the other side of your face to complete your quick treatment. Most users feel nothing or just a light tingling sensation. You can even increase or decrease the intensity level to customize your ClearUp experience. And when you're done, just wipe it down with alcohol wipes. Charge it every week or 2 by plugging in the USB charger and stow ClearUp in the pouch provided or wherever it's convenient. Designed to turn the tables on sinus pain, ClearUp is the only solution that empowers your body's natural bioelectricity to fight back, energize your day, and give you the relief you need. But you're far from alone. Our double-blind clinical study with participants suffering from allergy-related sinus pain revealed that 74% experienced a reduction in sinus pain on first use, and 82% preferred ClearUp to their current sinus treatment. ClearUp is FDA cleared for adults over 18. Do not use if you are pregnant or have a metallic implant. A small percentage of users may experience mild, brief skin irritation. No more messy flushes, addicting nasal sprays, or chemicals in your body. Just simple, discreet, and convenient sinus pain relief after one 5-minute treatment. Order your ClearUp today to help control and manage the frustrating allergy cycle. Release the pain and get your flow back. ClearUp by Tivic Health.
This is the story of how Viso changed my life. 5:02 a.m. I wake up to get ready for work. Tailored shirt. Timeless. Classic. Coffee. A gift from my lover. Viso 360 Smart Dashcam. Beautiful design, intelligent features, a refined innovation for car security. 6:13 a.m. I head out to install my Viso 360. The specially designed mount supports all types of cars, and the strong magnetic attachment makes it effortless to install. My new life with Viso begins now. Oh no. It was clearly this idiot's fault, and I can prove it. Viso's 360 camera system captures all around my car without any blind spots. Using the dedicated app, I can wirelessly transfer videos to my phone, and the 4K HD video shows everything in crystal clear detail. It's an open and shut case. 1:26 p.m. I believe in working hard in order to... Someone just hit my parked car, and she just drove away. A classic hit and run. But Viso automatically detects accidents even when my car is off, and the low-power sensors do not drain the car's battery. With its 4G capability, I'm notified immediately by receiving a video clip to my phone. I've got all the proof I need for an insurance claim. 6:21 p.m. It's been a long day, and I feel quite sleepy. Thankfully, Viso's sleep detection feature uses facial recognition to alert a drowsy driver. That was close. Viso, you saved my life. 11:16 p.m. I'm finally back home. As a crime deterrent, Viso's bright LED light remains on at all times. This lets others know that Viso is watching. Looks like I'm in safe hands. 9:46 a.m. I go on a road trip with my best friends. Why don't I capture this spontaneous moment? With just a single press of a button, I can take a selfie in the car as well as the outside landscape, all in one seamless 360 image or video. With the dedicated internal battery, I can even take Viso outside to use it just like a regular 360 camera. An unforgettable memory captured in a gorgeous 360-degree image. And I can quickly share my photos and videos to social media directly from the Viso app. My life is now fully protected, all thanks to my Viso 360 Smart Dashcam. Thank you, Viso.